Okay, I've been seeing a lot of questions online, Google, YouTube, asking where's the 10-inch sub in the 2019 newer body style Dodge Ram. As you can see, it's not under here, but there's a little string. If I can get back here, yeah. Ten-inch sub is right here behind the passenger side rear seat. So that's where your 10-inch sub is going to be. In here, a little string. That's what you have to reach back there and pull the string for the seat to come forward. Same thing behind the driver's side seat. There's a string back there. You just pull on that string and it'll unlatch from this right here. So back on there. Have to reach in there and grab the string, come out, sub is right there. So anyway, hope that helps. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep the videos coming quick as I can make them. Y'all have a good night.